We're recording. Mason's eating his first meal. People food, kinda. It's oatmeal. I'm assuming it's gonna go everywhere. Let's see if he swallows it. He's like, this milk's chunky. Chunky butt. You like that? Let's see if he eats more, then we'll know. It's coming out. That's no shocker. I don't know how this is going. Hit or miss? Mostly hit? Mostly, I don't know. Oh, that was not a good one. That was not a good one.
Mason, what's that face like?
You like that, Mace?
I think he's swallowing some.
Yeah, it doesn't look like he's swallowing much.
This is his first time.
That's true.
Like, he's not going to eat all this. Something totally new to him.
Okay, this is pretty boring. So we got this. We documented it.
Yeah.
All right, Mason.
Say the date.
It's well, the date's on here, isn't it?
No, but it doesn't.
December 7th, 2008. Mason. I think he's just a little bewildered by the whole deal. Hey, buddy. What do you think? What do you think? You gonna eat some more?
I have too much on the spoon.
There we go. Cross-eyed a little bit on that one. He's not sure what to think. All right. That's it. Bye-bye.